Hey guys, this is Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Premium Bandai 125 scale high grade Gundam Geminis Unit 1. Alright, here is the box itself. Now this is going to be the last P Bandai I'm going to be getting right now because I have way too much to come on the build. So this will be my last P Bandai for quite some time, and once I finish all my P Bandais being built, I will get back to only my P Bandai. So I'm sorry if you guys like love this P Bandai stuff, but I unfortunately have to stop for a while for the P Bandai stuff. Break releases will be the same, but I won't be buying as much as probably last time, so I need to prepare all my stuff. So yeah, so let's go unboxing. So yes, it's the Geminis unit, and it's very surprising that this kid became a P Bandai because I know G unit is just a side story of Wing, and yeah, but it's a very interesting story. I mean, it's a very interesting story, and Geminis is actually one of those kids, the few wings I really like, aside from like the 5 main Gundams, but this is the other Gundams from the side story, and you know, it's a pretty interesting little design. So let's go unboxing. So yes, yeah, fortunately, it just came today, so thank you Gunpla as always for the model kit. I appreciate that you get stuff for me that I want. So yeah, unfortunately the box is scratched up because I was putting it in the shelf like just now, and the shelf was already too high, and then I tried putting it in like scratched the box, but yeah, kind of sucks. I really wish I didn't do that. So okay, so surprisingly for a P Bandai, this actually is in a full color box. I mean, usually for a P Bandai it's only monochrome or like maybe it's like, but nowadays new P Bandais are having colored box art, which is very very interesting. On the side you can find a back shot of the Geminis and the stuff you can do right here. You can take a look yourself, and then the gimmicks right here, and the weapons. Not a lot, but it's a very interesting model nonetheless. And this is the backstory of the Geminis, because I know they're going to release armor sets for the Geminis, but I'm not going to get it because, like I said, I have 20 P Bandai, so I need to build all of these stuff first before I order more. Doesn't mention the price, but I think it's 2,200 yen if I'm not mistaken. Well, I think it is, but unfortunately, sorry about that. It's a Joe Simon, that's pretty stupid. Okay, alright, so you know what? For P Bandai, I'm excited. Let's get boxes inside. First bag, we have the C2 runner, which is the white parts for the kit, pretty interesting. The poly caps, and then you got the marking stickers, which I'm not gonna use when I build this thing, but it's fine. And you have the A1 plate. Is it A1? Yep, A1. This is all the multicolor runner for the Geminis. Oh, yeah, very very interesting. I really like that. Yep. And next bag, you have the beam sword, the beam effect parts. I really wish the beam effect parts are more like very detailed, just like the old high grade that they used to release. Unfortunately, it's not the case. And you get the joints, and you get the inner multicolor runner. And I gotta say, do not expect a P Bandai to be this expensive. Really, I'm assuming this should be going from 600 yen to almost like 1,800 yen kit, but this is really expensive. I don't understand why, but you know what? It's fine. The manual, again, the manual is pretty nice as well. I mean, this is a very good, very very premium. This is what I call a premium. So yeah, okay. So let's open up. So the assembly is very simple. Really, it's just a basic. It's just a bare bones Gundam. But if I'm other parts, then it would make it complete. But I'm not gonna do that. So on back here we have the backstory of the Geminis, and then the G unit explanation and the color guide. All right. That's an unboxing of the high grade Geminis Unit 1. Again, I'm not gonna do this immediately because I have to build my other component first, so I can get back with a review. Well, not immediately, but you see, but hopefully by next month. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.